people. And obviously people can call you and talk about the custom design process, but I love what you've created here recently with these custom home workshops. And in fact, there's a QR code on your screen right now where you can sign up, and this costs you nothing, by the way, for a full-blown workshop about building a custom home. Tell me about these workshops.
Yeah, so it's kind of a thing that I put together to do some community outreach and let people know, because we get people with a lot of inquiries and a lot of questions and all that kind of stuff. Like, what does it cost to build? What is the timeline and all that kind of stuff? And so I put down a lot of the information that I have and kind of created this interactive workshop. So it's a little bit of study and learning the mindset and how long, and learning the facts of it, but then actually the tactical aspect of it. We incorporated like a fun Lego aspect to it. And people love it. It's very interactive. It's very educational. A lot of people walk out and be like, wow, I wish I would have known this, years ago. It was actually, we just held one and it was really amazing.
Yeah, get out your phone. Seriously, just scan the QR code on the screen and it'll have all the information for you right there. They'd be happy to have you out.